Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun solar light DIY using items from the Dollar Tree. So I picked up a plastic cloche, one of the ceramic candle holders, and one of their like little solar light candles. They're kind of like a candle. And I thought I could put these all together and make a really fun little bee DIY. So the first thing I do is just kind of knock the tab off the bottom of the cloche. It's just plastic so that it will sit perfectly on that candle holder. And then I wanted to do a bee theme. So I found this honeycomb ribbon at Dollar Tree that is so cute. So I just glue that all the way around the bottom of the plastic cloche. It's going to give it a little touch of a bee theme. And I'm going to DIY some bees in this DIY as well. Now I'm using some Gorilla Glue, Clear Grip, and Hot Glue combination to glue this little plastic cloche bottom to that candle holder. As you can see, without that tab there, it's now a perfect fit. These are the new candles. Aren't they so cool? They look like a candle and they fit perfectly in these little plastic cloches. So I thought this would make a really fun outdoor light. I'm going to use a combination of glues again to glue it right to the candle holder so it stays in place. Now it's time to have some fun and decorate it. I wanted to do that like bee theme, so I thought I would use some flowers. These are some nice thin like lavender flowers from Dollar Tree, and I think I'm going to do about 3 of them. I'm just going to cut them off so they will fit inside that cloche, and I'm attaching them to the side of that candle with just a little bit of hot glue. About 1/3 of the way around to fill it in. You can use any kind of small flower, something that you think that bees would be landing on would be really cute. And then to cover up the rest of the plastic base, I'm just using some of the excess leaves from it and just cutting those off, gluing those down, filling it up with a little bit more greenery. It's looking cute. Now let's DIY some bees. I couldn't find any of the small wood bees from Dollar Tree this year, so we're going to try to DIY some. I picked up some of the yellow pom-pom trim, and I actually just used some black wire from the hardware section at Dollar Tree and wrap around like stripes, and then I'm DIYing some little cute antenna to be sticking out of its head as well by wrapping another piece around there. And that helps it keep bee shape and from going back into like a round pom-pom. And then I'm going to make 2. So I went ahead and did it this time. This time I kind of planned my stripes, so I just twisted the ends to form the antenna. It's a little bit easier. And then just using some fun ribbon. It doesn't matter what it is. I like this one because it's kind of translucent. I cut some tiny hearts, and I'm going to just glue those to the back of each bee like it is flying, and we have a really easy DIY bee. Really fun to make, and I've used these before on other bee DIYs, and I love the fuzziness of the pom-pom. It really looks like a little fuzzy bee. So I'm going to glue those on, one on one of the front flowers, one back here, kind of randomly. I didn't want it on all 3. I want it to look a little bit more random like that. And it's looking cute, so let's go ahead and slide the cloche on the top. It fits on there pretty snugly, and I don't think I want to glue it on or anything like that. I think I can just leave it like that. But I thought it turned out really cute for summer or spring. A cute little light up bee themed solar light.